Unlock the power of AI to build your dream website effortlessly. Website development used to be a daunting task filled with code and complex design choices, but what if AI could be your ultimate copilot? Today, we're diving into how Deepseek can revolutionize the way you build websites, making it simpler, faster, and more intuitive. Our journey begins with laying the foundation. Think of this as your website's blueprint. We'll tell Deepseek our vision, a circumflex euros. What kind of website we need, whether it's a portfolio, an online store, or a blog then, based on our prompt, Deepseek will suggest initial design layouts, giving us fantastic starting points to choose from. Content is king, and generating engaging content can be time-consuming. This is where Deepseek truly shines. We can ask it to draft headlines, write compelling product descriptions, or even brainstorm blog post ideas. It's like having a dedicated copywriter at your fingertips, ready to provide captivating text tailored to your website's purpose. A great website isn't just about looks. It's about user experience. Deepseek can help us optimize this. We can ask it for suggestions on improving navigation, making sure our site is easy to browse on any device, and even generating calls to action that guide your visitors effectively. It's all about creating a smooth and enjoyable experience for everyone who lands on your page. With Deepseek's assistance, you're not just building a website. You're creating an effective online presence by leveraging AI for content generation, design inspiration, and user experience optimization. You can bring your vision to life with unprecedented ease, so go ahead, experiment, and see how AI can simplify your web development journey.